Hello everyone. So today we are going to explore how you can create marketing templates using Invideo. It's very easy. It's just drag and drop. You don't need any technical knowledge in this case. So we are going to go through this video. So here when you come, so this is the home screen as you can see. So these are all the pre-made templates here as you can see. So you can create intros, logos from this. So these are all ready-made templates available. So like lots of templates you can select from, and these are all video ads you can create for your business, whether it's a hotel business, any kind of business. Like this is for karate, so this is driving lessons. So there are like lots and lots lot of different types of templates here. So these are all slideshows, you can customize it according to your needs. So these are all business presentation templates. So these are invites and wishes, so whether it's anyone's birthday or anyone's marriage celebration is there, you can select it from here. So these are offers and discounts, you can create coupons from here. So these are all video colleges. So these are webinar promos, you can select it from here. So these are all quotes video, you can select it from here. So these are all video testimonials as you can see here. It's product video ads, whether you want to create a video for a product, you can select it here. So these are all brand essentials, you can create videos from here, templates are given here. So these are all long form ads, whether you want to create it for watch or maybe shoes. So these are all branding templates. So these are bite size ad. So these are greetings, then listicles, a lot of different type of templates. So what we are going to do today is we are just going to select a random template and we are going to customize it. So what we'll do is we'll just select a business template. I'll select a random one. Okay, I'll select this karate promo. So whether you want to promote it on YouTube or maybe Instagram or maybe YouTube Shorts, you can select it from here. So these are all different aspects ratio. You can I'll select the 16:9 and you have to click on use this template. So once you click on the use this template, so this is the main dashboard where you can just edit the video here. It will take few seconds to load. Okay, it's already loaded. So here as you can see there are three scenes, 1, 2 and 3. So here you can edit each and every aspect of the video. So if you have a logo, you can just upload it here. You just have to click here, you have to upload the logo here. And if you want to edit this one, you just have to click on this element and you can just edit from here. So if you want to delete this one, you can delete it also, or maybe if you want to move it somewhere else, you can do that. You can just move it also. What I'll do, I'll just move it here. So this is done. So after that, if you want to change second scene, you can just change it, you can edit it from here. So if you want to add anything, you can just edit. As you can see, you can edit it from here. There are multiple options. So if you want to add logo, on the left hand side you'll be able to upload the logo, you'll be able to upload different images are available here. As you can see, you can upload it from here. If you want to add any video, small video, you can edit from here. And this is the third scene. As you can see, you can just enter your website. I'm just entering it for demo purpose. As you can see, you can just edit each and every aspect of this. You can just, so once the video has been created, you just have to click on this play button and you'll be able to just as you can see, you can create different videos. You can upload it on YouTube, you can upload it on Instagram, or maybe YouTube Shorts. You can create different business template videos. So whether it's a coupon, whether it's a discount, whether it's video ads you are running on Facebook, you can create it from here. So if you want to have a look at the software, I'm giving you the link in the description. Just have a look. You can try it for free, and there are two plans there. One is the business plan and the second is the unlimited plan. You can have a look. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.